everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to install IDM Toolbar skins and theme packs. It's super easy and it'll give your internet download manager a fresh new look. Now, if you've used IDM before, you probably noticed that it only comes with a couple of Toolbar skins by default. Not a whole lot of options, right? Well, today we're going to change that by manually adding some new ones. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up your web browser. If it's already open, just open New tab. Now go ahead and copy the download link from the video description box, paste it into your address bar, and hit enter. Once the Toolbar skins and theme packs finish downloading, open the folder where they're saved and extract the files. Next step, copy all the files inside the extracted folder. Now head over to installation directory where Internet Download Manager is installed. By default, it's usually in the location you're seeing right now on your screen. Inside the item folder, look for the Toolbar folder. And that's where you need to paste all those copied files. Important, before you paste anything, make sure you've completely closed IDM, even from the system tray, to avoid any issues. Once you've pasted the files, go ahead and open IDM again. And there you have it. You'll now see a bunch of new Toolbar skins and theme packs ready to be applied. Feel free to pick the one you like the most and give your item a brand new look. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know which skin or theme pack you liked best. I'd love to hear your favorites. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful and fun videos just like this one. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep spreading positivity. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.